Hey guys, so we're gonna play COD Mobile, and I'm just a kid because I am just elite, and my account another one named Alistair haha. Just search it and I'm that, but I have only 3 epic guns. So guys, I will support you when you like and subscribe. When I big have subscribers, I will buy you anything on of you all. So enjoy my game. I'm just a kid. So if I die, that's no problem because this is just a game. Okay, enjoy my game. Actually guys, I am 4 hands. And I'll use this gun, LW3. I am Sniper Pro. I'm using iPad. Sometimes I can hear some awesome hardcore. Ouch. Sometimes I always win this game and sometimes I die. Always sometimes die. So guys, please like and subscribe and join now because I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm a sniper kid. Bye. So if you want to add me at here, I'm live in the Philippines. Add my name Aiza 12334. Yeah, like that. If you want to add me, if you're legendary, it's okay that you cannot add me. It's okay when I'm legendary, we gonna join. Okay, here I am now. I died, so just enjoy my video. Okay, goodbye. Okay, ang mga kapeng ko dito parang mga mahina pa. Ako lang matibay mag-sniper. Saka ito hindi ko marunong mag-aim. Nan mo na lang ng grenade. Ayaw niya mag-grenade kasi akala nila noob lang ako guys. Tsaka nandito naman ang isa. Para silang hindi natatamaan. Yan, natatamaan na ng isa. Guys, at saka Pilipino po ako. Naglalaro ako ng COD Mobile at saka 10 years old pa lang ako mga 6 or 9 naglalaro na ako ng COD Mobile. At saka ngayon 10 na ako, mag-11 kasi my birthday is December 25. So kaya guys, leave it on the comment kung gusto mo isasabihin kayo sa akin. Putik naman itong kalaban nito.
Last man standing. Finish it.
Kung gusto ninyo mahanap ang 1v1, nahanap ako dito. Kung sino maging MVP sa team namin, yung 1v1 ko yan. Kung gusto ninyo. So guys, mag 3 games tayo. Ang last 1v1 tayo. Magwa 1v1 tayo sa kalaban o sa kaate natin na magiging MVP. At saka, ito palang pinaka first ko video sa YouTube. So like and subscribe. Ang pangalan ko Toby Boy. TOBYBOI. Yun lang po ang pangalan ko. Meron ako ng mga shorts na di ko alam bakit nagtaas ang viewers ko sa how to draw stickman easily. Okay, like and subscribe na lang ninyo kung nagustuhan ninyo. Tagal naman itong kapin. Bata pa lang ako, hindi ako kahit may legendary guns ako, hindi ako gagamit. At saka ngayon may ako, at saka hindi pa man ako legendary guys. Okay, enjoy na ninyo ito. Kasi ito pa lang pang dito, itong gagamitin natin na sniper, at saka sa isa naman DLQ sa kabila, sa pan-second game. Aray. So guys, di ko alam kung malakas itong kalaban. Aray.
Bomb acquired. Enemy bomb dropped.
Ako na ang isa guys. So, kalabanin natin. Tatlo. Guys, nandito na tayo. Lalaki ako na batay. Baka isipin niyo ako na babae ako.
You've entered the bomb site.
So, hindi nila ako mahanap. Nalagyan na muna tayo ng bomb. Lagyan natin ito para pag naglakad. Ipotek andoon. Ipotek. Nag-split up ang dalawa. Nag-split up.
Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa pangdalawa. DLQ naman tayo guys.
Nice work. Well done.
DLQ ang gagamitin natin guys. Okay, nandyan. Akala mo lang matibay ito. Yan, ito. Pero baka pakakita natin mahina. Kasi 1v1 natin yung pag malakas. Okay, iputik. Mag-DLQ tayo. Kung gusto nyo na alaman kung paano magawa yun na sniper na nagpuputok, sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo. Ang dali lang magawa. 3 lang na upgrades guys. Di ko alam bakit sword ang gamit ko dito at hindi spear. So, kaya dati, yun na video ko, dinilit ko kasi namatay ako dito.
Bomb spotted.
guys, kung gusto niyo, like and subscribe to my channel. Actually, dati ang favorite ko na gun, DLQ. Ngayon, yun na sniper na yun na gamit ko. At saka wala akong namatay.
Ready for the next round.
Okay. DLQ tayo dito. Hanggang start. DLQ po ako dito. Dalawang account ko. Ay, tatlo. Pogi Boy at saka ang isa. Ano ba yun?
Enemy has dropped the bomb. Bomb spotted.
1, 2, 3, 3. Yung account ko isa. Dito sa tablet.
Target down.
Tsaka wala pa ako naman.
Nice work. Ready for the next round.
At saka sa pang tatlo na laro, magagamit tayo locus.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb.
Okay guys, enjoy.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. They have the bomb. Contact with enemy. Bomb spotted. Down. The enemy has the bomb.
Okay guys,
Enemy
magamit ko
has
yung
dropped the
sniper
bomb.
ng kalaban kasi mabilis
Nice
na.
work. Ready for the next round.
Like and subscribe.
Defend the objectives.
Enjoy na, promise. Enjoy ko na.
They have the
Kulit.
bomb.
Enjoy.
Spotted. Enemy down. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Destroy the objective. We got the bomb. Enemy contact. Enemy down. Enemy down. Changing max. Bomb drop.
Aray. Ang tatlo ako.
Good job.
Okay, locus naman tayo guys. Ang gagamitin natin. Locus tayo. Palagi tayo search and destroy kasi ang ano ko mataas sa search and destroy. Ang ano ko gamit. Okay, andito na. Locus tayo guys. Huwag niyo kalimutan. Dito guys, locals ako. Kaya huwag niyong
Defend the
kalimutan.
objective. The enemy has the bomb.
Putik naman ito.
Enemy in sight! Bomb spotted.
Wow, ni.
Nice work. Next
Ang
round.
babae yun.
Defend the objectives. We have the bomb.
Kung naman sunod ko na ako ng bagong channel. How can you make your upgrades
Enemy in
on the
sight.
super fast? And it's simple.
The bomb has been planted. Target. Enemy down. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Last one. Complete the mission. Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Defend the objectives. They have the bomb. Tango down. Enemy has dropped the bomb. Nice work. Ready for the next round. Destroy the objective. Targets in sight.
Kala ko locals yun.
Reload. Target down. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Destroy the objective.
Kala niya hindi ko ito na ang pang-apat natin.
Nice work.
Magwa 1v1 na tayo. Sa MVP natin naka-open. Ilit ko lang pala siya.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Nagbibideo.
Why?
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Lost the bomb. Lost that round. It's not over yet. Ready up. Destroy the objective. We got the bomb. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Kala ko matibay ka. Bata lang ako.
Destroy the objective.
Tapusin ko na yun.
Lost that round. It's not over yet. Ready up. Defend the objectives.
guys, mag-like and subscribe na lang kayo kung nagustuhan ninyo ito. Basta wag ninyo i-think na babae ako na bata. Bata lang ako na lalaki. Sige, like and subscribe on my video.